Hi, these are CKA questions. So I'm working on a Kubeadm node using Vagrant. I have two nodes. One is control plane and the other is a node 1, which is working as a worker node. Okay, so let's jump on to the question. So the question is that you have access to multiple clusters from your main terminal through kubectl contexts. Write all those context names into opt/opt/course/1/contexts. Okay, so the command is kubectl config get contexts. So this is the name that we want. For that, we will be outputting it through name. So this is the name that we want, and now we have to write the name into /opt/course/1. So let's write it down. I'll be just appending /temp for my convenience here. Okay, this is done. Let's cat. So we can see the answer is here. Okay, now let's go to the second part of the question. Next, write a command to display the current context into /opt/course/1 context default kubectl.sh. The command should use kubectl. Okay, we have to use the command kubectl, and we have to display the the whole command inside our sh file, shell file. Okay, so for that we have to do kubectl config current context. So this is the answer that we want, but actually we want the whole command to be inside the shell script. For that we will be using echo kubectl. Now for the path, copy this path /opt/ sorry, not opt, for my convenience it's tmp, temp folder. Okay, now let's do sh. Yes, we are getting the same result. Good. Okay, now let's go on to the final part, which is finally write a second command doing the same thing into /opt/course/1 context default no kubectl.sh, but without the use of kubectl. Now what we have to do is there's a file called kubeconfig. We can see the configs there. Cat configs, and there is a file called config in my system where I have Kubeadm installed, and this is the current context that I need, and this is the value actually that I need to retrieve. For that, let me just use grep and use the name here, which is called current context. Now from there I have received this whole line, but from this whole line I just need to get this value, and for that I have to use set command. Okay, now current context and current context colon space // and with that I have received my value that I was looking for. Okay, now we need to uh, store this whole command into our file. For that, we will be saying echo double. We'll be having also, okay. Now we'll be copying this, copy /tmp for my convenience also. And then let's see, sh, I'll copy this path. Yeah, we are getting the value. So that is the end of first question. Thank you.